Today I'd like to share with you a nice simple Qigong exercise to help you rebuild your energy. Hi, I'm Jeff Chand, acupuncturist, practitioner of traditional Chinese medicine and Qigong instructor. There are many different types of Qigong practices, but this really simple exercise is great when you feel depleted, when you feel really drained and tired. Maybe you've been working too much, maybe you've been thinking too much, maybe you've been doing too much exercise or gardening or lifting things. And maybe you just feel depleted by people. You're a nice, compassionate, kind, caring person, but people drain you and they make you feel tired afterwards. Well, this little exercise is very easy to do. You can do it anywhere, and it will really help you to gather your energy back. The exercise is called gathering the Qi. So just as the name suggests, you're just gathering the Qi into your body. Now you can do this exercise alone by itself, or you can do it in combination with other practices. But I would highly encourage you to give it a try if you are prone to becoming depleted, either by overworking or by other people. So if you're all ready to begin, you can just kind of find a comfortable position. I'll show you the exercise first, and then we'll go through just a short practice. So find a space where you feel comfortable, somewhere where you can stretch your arms around. You're not going to hit anything or anyone. Now just take a comfortable position with your feet a little bit wider than shoulder width apart. If you want to stand upright, that's fine. If you want to sit, that's okay too. But you get more Qi and more energy out of this exercise if you settle the weight down and engage the legs a little bit. If you're new to this kind of movement, then maybe it might be a little bit difficult. It's not the same as working out or doing exercise in the gym. We actually find our strength through relaxation. So we relax into the body. Let the breath, let the body, let the structure hold ourselves up. So you can find this comfortable position, play around with it, and usually a little bit wider than shoulder width apart. And what we want to do is find our dantian. The dantian is a few inches below the belly button in the center of the body. So right sort of in the center. The equivalent part of the dantian in the back is in this area here, and it's connected to what's called the Ming Men, which is the gate of fire. It's a very important area in traditional Chinese medicine. So what we want to do is find that area, the dantian, in the front and in the back. Now with one hand, we can reach around, palm open, and bring our hand to the dantian. Now with the other hand, bring the hand around to the dantian. Move the hand away so you can push it into the dantian. So you're breathing in as the hands come around, breathing out as the hand comes to the body. Breathing in and out. Breathing in and out. So from the side here, nice and stable, breathing in, and the hand is here, breathing out. Breathing in and out. Okay, so that's the basic exercise. It's pretty easy. It's called gathering the Qi. And it's almost like you're just kind of gathering all the Qi into the body, trying to get it into the dantian. We do that with our breath, and we can really notice our body warming up and the Qi increasing. So if you get comfortable with this exercise, you can kind of find a little bit of a natural movement. Your body will kind of sway and move. But don't try to encourage that too much and make it like a performance. Just if your body moves a little bit, that's okay. If it stays still, that's okay too. Just find your method of practice. So if you're all ready to begin, we'll do a nice simple routine here. Starting with the opening exercise. Staying in a nice stable position, breathing in as the hands come up and around. Breathing in, hands coming up and around. Breathing out as the hands come down the center. Breathing in, taking good vibrant energy into the body, and breathing out, hands coming down the center. Breathing in, trying to draw in the energy, the Qi, through the center of the palms, the top of the head, into the body, letting it go where it needs to go. Good. 3 more. Opening exercise. Breathing in with presence, with fullness, feeling as if you're gathering in the energy from the sky into the body. Breathing out, letting it come down the center into the dantian. 2 more. Breathing in Last one. Breathing in and out. Good. From this position, gathering the Qi, or you can take a deeper stance, gathering the Qi, breathing in and out. Breathing in, reaching the hand around, feeling you're gathering Qi from the environment. Breathing out, drawing it into the body. Breathing in, breathing out. You can slide the hand away so that way that Qi can go nicely into the dantian. Breathing in, really visualizing you're gathering Qi all from the environment around you in through your body. As you're gathering the Qi, you're strengthening the body, giving it the nourishment that it needs, and you're also letting go of anything that's unnecessary. Any worries, any tensions, any frustrations. Good, and 3 more. Breathing in, gathering the Qi, breathing out, drawing it into the dantian. Breathing in and out. And last one, breathing in and out. Good. From the same position, or you can stand upright if you need to. Breathing in as the hands come up to the level of the chin. Turn the palms down. Breathing out. Breathing in. Nice cleansing breath. Turn the palms. Breathing out. This helps solidify and strengthen the Qi. Letting it go where it needs to go. Preventing any stagnation. When you breathe into one area, sometimes we can get an accumulation of Qi there. And so this just helps everything move. Good, 3 more. Breathing in and out. In, out, and last one. Nice big in breath and out. And you're all done. If you enjoy this style of Qigong, please come join the Communi Qi, where we have lots of different types of practices like this. And we try to film in beautiful places like this to help bring that nature energy from out here through to you. I hope you enjoyed. Let me know in the comment section below what you think, what you felt. Did you feel the Qi accumulating in your dantian, in your lower belly? I hope so. It's wonderful. Qigong is such a wonderful practice. It's simple, it's easy, and don't be fooled by its simplicity. Simple things often work best. So go ahead and practice, and thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. If you've enjoyed this style of Qigong, please come join the Communi Qi for a wide variety of Qigong routines that's ideal for beginners or if you already have some experience. The Communi Qi has convenient, simple Qigong practices that are safe, gentle, and effective to help you feel healthy and full of vitality. Come join us today. If you haven't already, be sure to sign up for our newsletter in the link below so we can notify you when we release new YouTube videos. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you soon.